Hello everyone, myself Jitendra Reddy. My seminar topic Applications of Cluster Tools Modeling in a 300 wafer fabrications. Abstract. The cluster tools has been a mainstreams modern semiconductor manufacturing factories. Cluster tools occupy 60 to 70% production missions. Advanced technology factories. Kind of equipment integrated relevant process one single mission reduced wafer transportations and prevent wafer contaminations as well. There are two modules included scheduling modules, arrival time and short-term schedulings. The concept of dynamic cycle time steps is applied to estimated arrival time of a work in process in front of mission. Based on latest process time, working process combination efficiency table and cluster tools can be rearranged to fulfill the production goals. Introduction: It well-known semiconductor manufacturing cost-intensive industries, particularly modern 300 water wafer manufacturing factories. Kind of equipment has been widely used. Wafer fabrication process occupies 60% of capacity. Modern wafer fabrication factories. Cluster tools also increases the difficulty production planning shop floor control significantly. However, because complicated configuration cluster tools, any slight relaxations will cause lose production capacity and fails to reach accepted output. This particularly true parallel missions as processing one lot in multiple reactions chambers can short product cycle time. But it loses productivity simultaneously because process one lot in only reaction rooms results in shortage of load pod. This is the diagram of simulation of cluster tools. How to works diagram means cluster tools simulations. This is the multiple chambers and loaded and process circulated the cluster tools. Attention of this study on these problems aimed proposing short-term scheduling models. Cluster tools within established goals and constraints. Quality and speed scheduling are two most important factors. The research not only considering the current working process in front of the missions, but calculated working process they will be reach missions in this upcoming 3 hours. Under the procedure, the best short-term scheduling of the cluster tools can be arranged accordingly. Short-term scheduling modeling. Scheduling belong short-range plannings is focus quality and speed schedulings, which need arranged processing sequences closer to the target various constraints shorter time. Generally, they are processing limitations. Cluster tools, it's a internal process complicated. Production capacity cluster tools easily affected by the processing combination. The output of the plant will be affected deeply. Accordingly, there are two models: arrival time estimation and short-term scheduling model. Arrival time estimation. Generally, the product turn ratio is applied to a look-ahead function arrival time of the working process. Condition factory are changing quickly and cycle times of the production steps is a vary. Turn ratio value is a product will be changed with environment different in every stage of product. Concept of the dynamic cycle. Time of a product steps instead turn ratio is applied to estimate arrival time of the lot of in front of cluster tools increases the accuracy of the scheduling result. Following steps. Algorithm. Step 1. Decide the time span. Data required calculated to queue time equipment. Calculate the queue time equipment formula used. And third step is monitor and queue time of the equipment with cycle time data. Working process arrival time estimation can be estimated according to following formulas we use, which are formulas used. That algorithm flowchart starts decided the time span of this data required to calculate the queue time of the equipment, and next is calculated the queue time of the equipment, and next goes to monitor and queue time of the equipment, and goes to is the queue data is limitations. Yes means goes to return calculate queue time of the equipment. No means they can next step read the working process data which queue in these steps before cluster tools and the queue data is equipment. Calculate the next step is calculate the arrival time of which resolution must be extract data and time. Next ends. Conclusion: Cluster tools are not only means of the fabrications but also treated as the important process tools. A short-term scheduling model for the cluster tools arranged better scheduling under the goals and constraints purpose at the heart of the study. Generally, quality and speed scheduling necessarily characteristics on-site short-term scheduling model. Scheduling model main goals maximize output all the working process under the principles not exceed the queue time limit. Finally, the short-term scheduling model can provide easily well-controlled clusters, tools, management and controls, and results strongly supported viability and proposed model for various perspectives. Thank you.